Okay, happy Sunday. I'm recording this a little late because work got me working. Today we're going to talk about preparing for a road trip in your semi-project car. So let's run down the list. One thing, always check your tires, right? Jiggle them, jack it up. Make sure it doesn't make a sound and stuff. Make sure nothing is jiggling down there because that's your legs for the road trip. So you want that to be a-okay. After that, check your brakes, check your tires, do all that good stuff. And then motor-wise, it'll be oil changes. If you didn't do one recently, check that oil. If it's black, oil change that. And then if you're manual, check your clutch, check the sleeve, make sure it's not leaky. And then everybody else, check your brake fluid, all right? And power steering fluid, just in case, okay? Now, I don't personally have AC, so whatever. We got T-tops. Take them off. Then material in there should be, if I can pop the trunk with one-handed, this is something I have to fix. How am I gonna let it go? Hopefully. All right. All right. Now. Cool. So, onto the trunk after the motor stuff. I need to set you up. I'll bring you in closer anyway. First thing needed, lawn chair. You can sit anywhere you want to. When you park it at the next highway, whatever. Lawn chair is good. I bring a jack everywhere. I don't recommend getting a 2-ton. That thing is huge. So 1.5 from Harbor Freight is perfectly fine. It's just enough for emergencies. I have a trunk organizer, which has kind of a cooler in there, which is cool. Got it from Amazon for like $30. Jumper cables, just in case. I have an impact gun with a 17 in it or 22 or whatever. Just have one with your lug nuts socket size. So then, just in case, anything happens to your tire, instead of breaking it and scissor jacking it, you have a jack. So, and then you have a tool bag, tool bag, tool kit. If you're doing overnighted, I also have a portable jumper box. Jumper box? What's the correct vocabulary for this? A booster pack. Booster packs. Make it fit, Don't know how if you have a big car, you have no problem doing this, but 300 is a little crowded. And then, hold on. Okay. A Velcroed on emergency bag. What's inside of here, you may ask? I'm gonna tell you right now. Hold on. Zippers. So, in emergency bag, we have battery terminal cleaner, gloves, emergency blankets. But this is something I think we could just get off of Amazon. And it's only if you need it, if you're in hiking, have emergency blankets, flares. So that's just in case you go out of state, like 7 hours or day and night trip, whatever. You just want to be prepared, just in case anything happens, duct tape and stuff. Meow. Okay. Somehow it took my floor mat with it, so we love. And on top of it, okay, you know what's important? A tire pressure inflator machine, right? Everybody has a cigarette lighter. Make sure your cigarette lighter works, so then you can plug this in and have your 12-volt. So just in case you get a flat. A lot of times, it's just preventative measures for a flat tire. So, aka jack, replaces the scissor jack, so then you're not twisting and turning this heavy car. And then you have your impact to quicken your speed of taking the tire off and on. And it makes your life easier. So why not, right? So then lawn chair beautifully covers everything. Now, you may ask how you put your luggage and stuff. In the back seat. Because there's no more room here. Beautiful of a 2+2. I thought it was going to be more room. Psych! No, whatever. And then when you have that all said and done, you just close the trunk and you're like, get ready. All right? Now, on the topic of spare tires, right? I don't really have space for that. So I don't know how to remedy that. But most cars come with stock positions of where the wheel was set. Like this car is underneath everything. So yeah, but that tire is like this skinny. It's like a bike. So in order for me to put these big old 265 18s here, okay, it's probably going to take the back seat. And honestly, I just kind of pray that I don't get a flat tire. But yes, that is very important. That's one of the most common things any car. And then anything else is just kind of for comfort. Lawn chair, jumper cables just in case, if you know your battery's a little weak and it's a winter time or whatever. Boom. Let me put the camera back, set you guys up a little bit. All right. So, on the fun measure of things, I'm thinking for this next road trip that I get walkie-talkies because since I'm going with friends, if we're on the road or anything and somebody missing an exit, you're missing an exit. Walkie-talkies. So, well, it's fun. Who doesn't like some walkie-talkies while driving? After that, it's just preparation with the trunk. Now, if you're having some type of trunk space issue, then maybe configure the list the way you want. But main things are how to jack up a car and have like a flat tire when your car's dead. I also do zip ties just in case if like bumper kind of whatever or like something needs to, a line is hanging down or whatever. Zip tie, boom. It's a quick fix. Zip ties are great. They are my warriors. Then it's focusing on either wiping the car down, like having a microfiber in the car, just in case your mirrors or your windshields need some wiping. Never drive with a blurry windshield. That is just absolutely causing yourself suffering. Okay. All you need for a road trip preparation checklist, okay, for whatever your beauty needs. Let me know what you guys put in the trunk when you guys are going on the road trip, right? I'll see you guys next Sunday. Thank you.